Oh look, there's my thing. I forgot my thing on there.
You got this?
Yeah.
Wait, is that yours?
Yeah, my drink.
I drink that too.
You drink that too?
Apple juice too.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to Hooked on Gulf Coast. We're out here night fishing. Here he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Up, 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 up. Ooh, that's a little fat one. Look at those teeth. Beautiful fish. Till next time, bud. I got him. I got him. Oh, he let go. I don't know what that was, guys, but oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Speck. I think we got him. Nope. Oh, 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 oh. There it goes. Oh, got that one. Yeah, I seen that, guys. That was sick. He's just following that. Oh, oh, oh. Careful, dude. That was sick. Good job, little guy. Oh, he just got a missing tail. Look at that. No wonder he was coming at it all slow. This is what I'm using, guys. I'm using a voodoo shrimp. It is the white, pearl white. Oh, he's coming at it. Oh, there he goes. Ooh. It's hitting the water and it's getting blowed up. It's getting hit after hit. Oh, there he goes again. Ooh. Ooh, there he goes. 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 Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Hold on, little fella. This one's right on 12. It's a big guy. Ooh. He came up and hit that thing. That was sick. You missed it, bud. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh. This is my setup. It's an Abu Garcia Silver Max. It's a H2O angler, light, medium light rod. Nothing fancy. I need a good one. Nice fish. This one's ooh, 15.